Hi everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to make a fall collar to dress up your cat in. Keep in mind that this is meant to be a festive accessory and not a sturdy collar that you might, for example, let your kitty out of the house in. The first thing I am using is fall striped shimmering ribbon. It does have wired edges, but if you know your kitty is the type to bite or chew on their collars, then I don't recommend using this type because it could be harmful to them if they bite off a piece. You will also need 2 felt leaves for crafting, needle and thread, and a wooden button, which my Sophie found to be very interesting, and a pair of scissors, a glue gun, and measuring tape. The first thing we're going to do is measure around our cat's neck, leaving some space so that the collar isn't too tight. You can also use one of your cat's old collars for reference. Next, we will measure that same amount in ribbon and add 3 extra inches. Fold the ribbon over to have double the amount and cut at the end. Use the ribbon you just cut to measure out another section of the same size. You now have 2 ribbons of the same length. Next, layer them on top of each other end to end and fold in half. At this middle section, you're going to start twisting the ribbon to form a loop. Measure the button against the loop to make sure it will be able to pass through it. Give the loop a twist and take 2 strands of ribbon from the back and tie them in a knot securing the loop. Next, we are simply going to braid the ribbon with the 2 center strands together. When you are finished, the middle section will be longer than the 2 outer sections. Fold the longer piece of ribbon together over itself and secure with glue. Then wrap the shorter edges over this, also gluing them together. Once the glue is dry, sew the button onto the flat end of the collar. Make sure the button is tightly secured, then make 2 or 3 knots at the back to finish. The last step is to attach both leaves near the button. Place them in a way that won't be too intrusive to your cat. Once you're done with this, let the color dry completely and you are done.